in the sky. I can't get enough of sweet.
So pretty talaga.
Like we're just a couple bees, please. I'm glued to you, honey.
Good morning guys. Term break namin ngayon. Kaya parang naisipan kong gumala and just make the most out of it. This time, hindi ako umuwi pabalik province because na-realize ko lang din I'm halfway through my college and never ko pang na-explore yung mga lugar na gusto akong explore. Isa na yun, yung Dangwa. Pero wala akong kasama. And I realized I will go on a solo date. And this is my first time going on a solo date in a place na hindi ko pa napuntahan. Yeah, kasi usually nagsa-solo date ako sa place na at least napuntahan na namin ng mother ko, ng brother ko, or ng friends ko. But now, we're going to Dangwa. I'm really excited. Pero ngayon, parang na-realize ko, pag lumalabas kasi ako, I have the tendency to overspend. Like, I have the tendency na parang, binubuksan ko na yung savings account ko. Tapos parang nangungutang ako sa savings account ko. Which is something na parang, it's not financially responsible. Today, parang, as much as possible, Lord, please, help me have self-control. As much as possible, we're gonna spend, pati sa transpo, under 1K. Oh my gosh! Plot twist, guys. She spent 2K. But at least, masaya naman siya. Yun lang. We'll see, guys, if kaya ni ate girl. I feel like kaya ko naman, siguro. So, upon looking sa mga prices ng pagkain doon, I decided na to eat my brunch lang here sa condo. And I have pinaksiw na isda. And rice. Kain tayo. I miss this. Ito yung mga kinakain namin sa province. Oh my gosh. Kain. It's not the most aesthetic food you can find, pero I swear it's comforting. Okay. Hi guys, so it's currently 11:21 and parang napatagal ako sa morning routine ko. Come and get ready with me.
Journal entry number 1. Just go for it. Not because it is less scary, but because you thought about it. And it's been a while since I got dressed up and go out alone since takot ako. Takot ako baka may mangyaring masama, diba? Pero honestly, matagal ko nang gustong gawin to. And I kept on delaying it.
So for my fit, it's very simple lang. Blue cardigan, white shirt, jeans.
And spoiler alert, it is not scary as I thought it would be. So, go for it! I think dito na lang ako mag-aantay. Sorry, wala akong mic. Now, I'm on my way to Dangwa and thankfully, onti lang tao at that time. Kasi, obviously, sino ba namang pupunta ng 12 noon, diba? It is super init, but I think it was all worth it since I got to see how blooming the flower displays are. And what's great pa is that I didn't just get a bouquet, but also got an advice from one of our artists there.
Minsan lang dito magala. Basta magpapayo ko lang sa'yo bukas pa yun sa pag-aaral. Kasi may hangganan naman yan. Hindi naman yung buong buo yung mag-aaral. Kaya ibigay mo na yung mulang itulog. Ibigay mo na. Sa loob mo na. Oh, kasi 3 years lang yun eh. Nakakatuka na eh.
Grabe, ang bilis nga po.
Diba?
Yesterday lang po ako pumunta dito.
Correct.
I got my matcha. And photo booth, of course, at Somewhere Cafe. Since parang naiinitan ako at that time, I decided to taxi na lang pa uwi. And the same day, cravings ko ay Camille and a dinner at Amphitheater. So, pumunta talaga ako ng campus just to have my dinner over there. And that's the end of the vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching. And I do hope you enjoyed it kahit wala lang, trip ko lang. Bye!